crackler keycaps, so you can't really see it, but you can kind of see it like through the cracks. And the thing with DSA is DSA I think is like a little wider, so it covers more, makes it a little harder to see. But regardless, like this LED strip right here is like, this is beautiful. Holy moly! Oh, and it's like, ooh, it's like textured. Yeah. I built this for Justin. Refresh. Ooh. Oh wait, before we do the typing test, let me do this. Alright. Oh, this is a Voice 65. The LED strip. There, this is Banana Split switches with C3 Banana Split Edition stabs. Here is the back. It is by Owl Studio. This was an in-stock drop that I managed to get E-White. And this is a board for a dear friend of mine, Justin. Up to Nancy. On to what everyone wants. Alright, here we go. Hello? Yeah, okay. No, I just tested the key tester and like the backspace works, but you guys are saying that's just how monkey types is? Okay. Well that's good, I guess. What do you guys think? You like it? You like the sound of it? Hi Danny Pop! I'm about to order cable from I've been thinking, I've been brooding, but I wanted to let you know that I'm gonna send in an order. How have you been? Super cute build, super beans, yeah. So yeah, this is a keyboard build. I have another one that I'm gonna be building with tactile lilacs. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Yes. This is the Voice 65 Banana Split switches lived with 205G, was not filmed. We're using C3 stabs with 205Gs on the outer part and then dielectric grease on the wire. This is using the polycarbonate plate and we stuffed all the foam in there. We used it all. And yeah, this is DSA Astrala keys. And this build is for one of my mods. Refresh Uwu. Did I get all of it? Did I miss anything? I think that was it. But yeah, this is a completed build. This was swapped, so I didn't have to solder. But pretty easy. It was my first time doing a gasket mount build, and it was like a little confusing at first, but it's just like a lot of foam. But really, really pretty keyboard. So you want to see, like you can see underneath, and you can actually change this. Right now it's controlling volume, but I think you might need a program to change it, but I'll figure it out.